Backbench MPs reprimanded his shadow cabinet ministers for voicing their policy differences in public and demanded more loyalty.
An agreement has been reached which paves the way for the creation of a global tracking system for commercial aircraft. At a UN telecommunications conference, countries decided to reserve satellite radio frequencies so planes can be tracked from space as well as the ground. The deal follows the disappearance of the Malaysia Airlines flight in March last year, which exposed flaws in the system, as our correspondent Theo Leggett explains.
Current methods for tracking aircraft depend on radar, which has a limited range, and a radio system called ADS-B. This allows an aircraft to broadcast signals to ground stations, which can then be used to calculate its position. However, the system doesn't work if there are no ground stations in a direct line of sight to the aircraft. As a result, planes cannot be tracked over oceans or in very remote areas such as the polar regions. The loss of MH370 and the subsequent mystery over its whereabouts highlighted the need for a better mechanism. Under plans being drawn up by the International Civil Aviation Organization, satellites will also be used to pick up ADS-B signals, enabling aircraft to be tracked continually around the globe. The allocation of radio frequencies is the first step. More satellite infrastructure will also be needed, but the organization hopes the new system will be in place within the next few years.
German regulators investigating the scale of emissions test rigging in the wake of the VW scandal